Hi guys, this is Sai from Modsters Automotive Chennai. Today we are going to look at our latest product for Vertis Slavia. This is the roof lip spoiler. This is quite popular with the BMW Audi sedans. This part was specifically made for the Vertis. So today we'll be going through the installation process for this part. It has a steep slope on the roof line, the rear glass section. So this piece will give you a much needed light catching element to break that. This is installed using just double side tapes placed to the curvature of the glass and just giving it a good press. That should do. Double side tape is more than enough to keep this intact. So this immediately gives you a massive difference. It has a good rear view and a side profile view as well. So if you want this part, you can DM us. It fits the Slavia as well. Our team can give you the details, cost details and other information. Just know what do you think about this roof spoiler in the comments below. Also, let us know if you want us to make any new paths for the Vertis. We'll be happy to help you with a custom product. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.